9 Space-making storage hacks for small kitchens. Don't have a pantry? No problem. You can use mason jars to create the storage you need on a blank wall. DIY Homegirl is one of my favorite small space living sites. The crafty chica behind this clever blog transformed a tiny nook in her small kitchen by adding pegboard storage and bonus counter space. Drawers can be powerful organizational tools. Designating one as a holding pen for random odds and ends is a tremendous waste of precious kitchen real estate. It also enables you to accumulate clutter. This DIY kitchen island by Instructables user Me Jones provides extra counter space while creating a spot to store up to 18 bottles of wine. Open Shelving is a smart storage solution for small kitchens that do not have room for standard hanging cabinets. As a bonus, shelves like these make it easier to grab dishes, glasses and mugs. The home design team, Charles and Hudson, installed the open shelves shown above. This DIY wall plate rack by Meg and Trevor at Oliver and Rust is an attractive storage solution for oversized items like platters and cutting boards. Aaron and Dan from the site, Halifax Bloggers, created a rolling pantry that could fit in the sliver of space between their kitchen wall and fridge. This hack turns an IKEA Expedit shelving unit into a kitchen storage system that packs a pull-out table. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.